Have you ever pondered the power of your knees? Those two joints diligently carrying the weight of your entire body day in and day out. They are the unsung heroes of our locomotion. But do we give them the care they truly deserve? Today, we delve into the world of JANU Chakra, a yoga exercise that does just that. Imagine yourself in the base position, comfortably seated with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Now, tenderly bend your right knee, drawing it closer to your chest. Wrap your hands under your right thigh, interlocking the fingers or crossing the arms to hold your elbows. Lift your right foot from the ground, your knee becoming the axis of a new world. Now, the dance begins. Gently rotate your lower leg from the knee, making a large circular movement. As you rotate, try to straighten your leg at the peak of the upward movement. Keep your upper leg and trunk still, as if they were a serene mountain against the motion of your rotating leg. A rule of 10 guides this dance. Rotate 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. Now it's time to switch partners. Repeat this dance with your left leg, bestowing it with the same attention and care. As this dance unfolds, your breath follows its rhythm. Inhale on the upward movement, as if drawing energy from the earth. Exhale on the downward movement, releasing any tension held within. Throughout this, keep your awareness focused on the circular rotation, striving for perfection in each motion. Feel the strength building in your quadriceps muscle and the ligaments around your knee joint. JANU Chakra, or the knee crank, is more than just an exercise. It's a celebration of your knees, a rejuvenation of the joint that bears the weight of your body. By activating the healing energies, it helps prevent injuries, sprains, and conditions like osteoarthritis. So, next time you take a step, remember the power of your knees. Nourish them with the dance of JANU Chakra, because when you take care of your knees, they'll take care of you. And together, you can walk the journey of life with strength and grace.